Hi guys, this is Mike here at Mac Observer, and today I'll show you how to cancel app subscriptions on iPhone. If you wanted to try out an app and took the bait of clicking the in-app purchase offering, it could be very disappointing if you forgot to cancel the subscription before it automatically renews. That could mean additional expenses, especially if you just want to try the app and have no intention of subscribing for a long time. This is where managing Apple subscriptions comes in handy. You should not only know how to subscribe to premium content or apps, but also learn how to cancel iPhone app subscriptions. Some knowledge about Apple subscriptions might save you some money later on. There are various ways of canceling Apple app subscriptions, and one of them is through the Settings app. Follow the below steps to do so. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap your named subscriptions. Tap the name of the app you are currently subscribed to. Lastly, tap Cancel Subscription. Note that if you can't find the Cancel Subscription, and instead you see an expiration message in red text, this means the subscription was already canceled. That sounded so easy, right? But what if you want to cancel a subscription but you can't find it under the iPhone Settings app? Well, you can cancel iCloud Plus in your iCloud storage settings. Another way to cancel app subscriptions is through the App Store. Similar to canceling your subscription using the Settings app, using this method also involves a few simple steps. Launch the App Store app on your iPhone and tap on your profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Tap Subscriptions and tap the active subscription that you want to cancel. Tap Cancel Subscription, confirm. And that is how easy it is to cancel app subscriptions on iPhone from the App Store. Now, while you are here, you might want to go back to your App Store profile page, the first screen after you tap on your profile icon on the App Store's main page. Here you can view various information related to your App Store account, aside from your subscriptions. These include apps that you've purchased and notifications sent by apps you installed. You can also tap on the Redeem Gift Card or code if somebody has sent you one, or you can send a gift card to your family or friends via email. Further below are the upcoming automatic updates for apps that you installed on your iPhone. You can tap on Update All to update all apps to the latest version release, or tap on individual app updates instead. Apple provided a support page for viewing your App Store purchase history. You can visit reportaproblem.com to see a list of your recent purchases after logging in with your Apple ID. If you want to find information for older purchases, simply go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your named media and purchases, view account, purchase history. Now that you know how to cancel iPhone app subscriptions on iPhone through different methods, hopefully, you won't encounter any more issues later on. Since you are spending your hard-earned money to pay for app purchases and subscriptions, you must know how to manage them properly. After all, who would want to accidentally spend some money on a subscription that you won't be able to maximize at all? Should you encounter other problems or issues with your app subscriptions despite doing the tips mentioned above, it would be best to contact Apple support to guide you further in resolving the issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Mac Observer for more intuitive guides, tips, and Apple news. This is Mike here. See you next time.